to help you begin your sophomore wellness report card. That will be your primary assignment for the next 2 days in class and homework. And it is your choice to complete as much of it for homework as you choose, knowing that it will be due in completion next week, likely on Wednesday. The way that I have it set up is for you to complete a certain amount of slides by Sunday, which will set you up for our in-class time together to work on it and the homework time that you will have next week. This is your major culminating assignment for the fitness unit. I've provided you a PowerPoint key to help complete the assignment. You, in class, along with me, set up your PowerPoint so that the slides are ready and in order to start your reflections. Here's a reminder of what you will need for this assignment. Your entire slideshow should be in the order shown here. We did that together in class. You will have a few documents, including your lifestyle journal, your plate that you've done with some foods that you actually like to eat, your fitness testing document, and hopefully Copilot if you were able to complete that assignment on Schoology this week. The fun part is when it's time to add photos. I suggest that you highly prioritize the writing first and then add the photos at the end. You'll add a theme for your work, which you'll see here in the examples that I show. Your goal is to ensure that you include photos. That's where it says graph. Photos from your lifestyle journal. So that's a screenshot, copy and paste. In your writing, you will talk about your rating using the data, the numbers that you got from tracking and from doing the fitness testing, along with the recommendations for each category. So, for instance, the recommendation for exercise per day is 60 minutes. You will talk about what their recommendations are, 60 minutes per day, and then you'll talk about how you measured up to that. And in your reflection, you will provide information for me on what it is that you're doing that has you in a very healthy place. What are you doing that has you in a yellow where you have some room for improvement? And what are you doing that has you in red that maybe you need to stop immediately or start immediately? Be very clear and specific on those things and not write generic like I need to run more or I need to exercise. It would be more like I need to include another 20 minutes of cardio into my daily exercise, and I would do that by running, swimming, biking, or using the treadmill at the fitness center every day. Be very clear about your action plan. You should look up what the government recommendations are for each of these categories. Again, if you use Copilot and did the lifestyle journal breakdown, it will have given you information on those. You're going to give me again your current status. I am red, I am yellow, I am green. And here's my plan of improvement, or here is what I'm doing well. And this is what I plan to continue to do to ensure to stay in the green. In this PowerPoint, in the next minute or so, you're going to see several examples. You have an assignment on Schoology that you can complete today or tomorrow if you want. It's a BMI calculator. It will calculate your BMI just by adding your height and weight into the fields that it asks you, whether you're male, female, age, and it'll give you a rough estimate. Obviously, that is not the best way to do it. The best way to do it would be on some specific actual body measurement tests. but this will give you a rough idea. On that assignment, we'll also have a PowerPoint with some descriptions and things that are factors that affect your BMI, and you can use those to write your reflection. A reflection would look something like this. This is the old one. And so all you see here is a big lump of writing and a photo. There are other options for completing this as well. The best ones look more like this, where the recommendation is in a box. There's a photo that tells me your color of where you landed, your rating, and then a writing. So that you can actually simplify this writing by putting the recommendations over here and just tell me about where you're landed and how you plan to improve. This is a sample from another student. Some of these are exemplar. Some of these, as you read them, you can say, okay, I could see where there could be more data, more numbers included, giving me the average recommendations, my score compared to the presidential score or the government recommendations. And even in my plan, numbers like 1 more serving, 3 more scoops, 10 more ounces. Instead of just drink more water, I plan to add another 10 ounces of water, which would be just drinking another small water bottle a day, for example. So be clear in your reflection of what it is that you plan to do. Remember, you're going to use your presidential fitness. So you're green if you're a presidential, you're yellow if you're a national, you are red if you didn't make either of those standards. I should be able to identify where you landed, either because of the color background, some other color signal in your chart, and because you actually wrote it into your reflection. This PowerPoint will take you through every single slide and what should be included on the slide. You may get to some where it says, okay, based on the test that I took, which was that little paper, I scored a yellow, a red, or a green. And when I actually tracked it, I had a certain amount of days that were yellow or green. This is one that we will do together when I return, the happiness scale, for instance. So this person would have to decide to count their colors and find out how many were yellow, how many were red, but I will walk you through that. I have a list for you of the ones that I want you to complete in class. This list is provided on the assignment. Between class and homework, these are the PowerPoint slides that you should have done by Sunday night. So in 2 days of class, plus 2 homework nights, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 full class days and 2 homework nights to complete 8 slides. I believe that working diligently, you can complete at least 3 slides in class and per day and a slide or 2 per night. Again, you have 8 total slides to be completed by Sunday, an hour and 20 minutes of class time tomorrow, and about an hour today once you kind of get situated. That gives you time to write about 3 slides of your reflection. And the great part about this is that you have all the materials in front of you. Do the co-pilot assignment because it will give you an incredible breakdown of information. I saw a couple of yours. For example, it'll tell you where you're strong, how many minutes you were averaging, what kind of things you can add, areas and where you were heavy on certain things, and it will really give you some wording and data these numbers here, data for you to add into your reflections. You will be graded very heavily on adding actual data. This one says things that you can actually do to improve your fitness and gives you the cited sources that you need for where to find information that are credible. The PowerPoint key will take you through a number of great examples, what to use, of where to find your information. For instance, it says subjective test, this, lifestyle journal, this. That's what you would look for your information. Resting heart rate, some samples of what it might look like, a chart that you would put for what the recommendation is, your charts that came out of your lifestyle journal, your color that signifies where you landed. Here is a key. If you got 60 or more minutes of exercise per day averaging, that is a green. 30 minutes to 59 minutes is a yellow. 29 or below is a red. Where might you find that? When you're on your document, lifestyle journal, right here at the top, it says total minutes and averages for each of the category. So averaging 2.68 ounces of water, okay, etc. So this is where you can find your averages for lifestyle. And on here, you can find your averages right here. I'm averaging 2.5 servings of grains. My total number of vegetables, 30% of my diet. This is the data, the numbers that I should see. And these are the charts that I should see screenshotted. You all have access to this PowerPoint. I'll send it to you in an email. It is on the assignment that you're using to turn in work. And everyone has all the numbers that you need to help you find out where you landed. You just need to write the reflections. Again, there are a few sample slides to help you figure out what should be on every single slide. This is a combination of both this year and last year's of what it might look like. You can either write it like this, or you can separate them like this, which makes it a little bit cleaner and more simpler. But you have to figure out where on this side you'd want to add the picture. It could be in the complete background of the thing. This is the old version. This is a little bit of the newer version that I would like, but I would still like you to have a photo. Please reach out if you have any questions. Work hard, get things done, meet the deadlines for submissions, as this is going to be important work for your final grades.